Violas, this is Miss DeLayu. Today I am here to talk to you about remembering how to play the 2-octave G scale. Remember, in this scale, this is the first scale we've learned where we need to shift in order to play, so we have to bring our hand from first position up to third position, where the first finger is on the third finger tape. So the first step in playing anything on your viola is to make sure that you have really good posture. Your shoulders are back, you're standing up nice and tall, you bring your viola up into Statue of Liberty, and float it down nice and slow so that you have really good posture. My scroll is parallel with the ground, and I can move my arm really nice and loose up and down on my viola. My bow hold, I've got my pinky sitting on top, and then I have my 2 middle fingers wrapped lightly over the end of the frog, and my ring finger is just that one floppy bunny ear sitting up top. My thumb is nice and curved, got a smile, I can make a spyglass, and when I do this scale, I'm going to do a 2-stop bow. So I'm going to divide my bow in half, go from the frog to the middle, to the tip, and then back to the middle, and back to the frog. So if I just do that on an open string, it'll be... And I'll do each note 2 times. I'm going to play the whole scale in arpeggio 2 times today. The first time, I'm going to talk kind of while I play and walk you through it and take you through the shifting and all of that good stuff. And then the second time, I'm just going to play it straight through so that you can play along with me at home. All right, so here's the first time. We're doing a 2-stop, 2-octave G scale. We're going to divide our bow in half, and we're going to start on an open G in first position. Here we go. And now after we play that fish, we're going to shift our hand really nice and loose. Our thumb is going to stay right across from our first finger so that there's no tension in our hand. We're going to be in third position now, so our first finger, is on the third finger tape in third position on the D string. Here's that G going on. Now second finger goes on the fourth finger tape. Big whole step stretch with third finger, stretch it up to a nice B natural. And then fourth finger is right next to third finger, tight half step. Cross over to the A string, but stay in third position, don't move your hand. Stretch that third finger up nice and high to an F sharp. And touch your pinky best friends with your third finger to make a good G natural. Coming back down. Cross over to the D string, stay in third position, stretch your fourth finger, make sure that it's a good C natural. Best friends with third finger, tight half step to B natural. Shift back down after that G to second finger fish. And that's your scale. Here is the arpeggio. Remember, for our G major arpeggio, we need the notes G, B, and D. The first note, the third note, and the fifth note of the scale. After we play our open D string going up that arpeggio, we're going to shift our hand into third position. Remember, first finger stays right across from your thumb so that thumb does not get left behind. Here's that arpeggio, starting on open G in first position. B, open D, and now we've shifted into third position. My first finger is set on the third finger tape. stretch to third finger B natural. Stay in third position but cross to the A string, first finger on the third finger tape for D. And 4 fingers down for a good G natural. G again. Lift to first finger D. Cross to third finger B natural on the D string, still in third position. First finger G. Open D, and while we play that open D, we're gonna shift our hand down. And that's your 2-octave arpeggio. Bonus points if you see Tonks hanging out in the corner here with me. So now I'm gonna play the whole thing one more time. I'm gonna play the whole scale, and then I'm gonna play the whole arpeggio. Hi, Tonks. What you doing back there? She's purring. She likes the viola. I'm going to play the whole scale and the whole arpeggio straight through so that you can play along with me at home. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. You can ask them on Google Classroom. You can email them to me. All of those things work great. And I can't wait to hear your super awesome G scales and arpeggios. Here we go. All together now. Ready, and... together, go. Good luck, have fun with your scales, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.